I'm Dr. Greg Ayers. I'm the CEO of ProGrin Dental. I've been in practice for over 35 years here in the upstate of South Carolina. It's always been my mission and goal to provide the perfect patient experience in dentistry. Over the years in dentistry's changed dramatically over the last 25, 30 years, especially the number one area I would say that's in my career has been the field of sterilization. I can remember when we didn't even wear gloves on patients' mouths, and then all the infectious diseases, HIV, AIDS, and that type of stuff came, dramatically changed on how we delivered healthcare and dentistry. At ProGrin Dental, we've always been on the forefront of making sure that all of our patients, when they come to our office, that they feel like they're in a very clean, safe environment. And it wasn't until recently when we found out about this great technology that we said, man, we've got to be a part of this. And this company's called BioPURE. And basically once a month they come in all of our locations and they do this cleansing and spraying of this that basically controls all the germs and contaminants. And really it's just something that I feel like separates us from other practices. But honestly, I think every dental practice, every healthcare, every home, everybody can benefit from this. And so this new technology is going to change the way that I think people feel when they go to the dentist, knowing that when they're there, not only do they know that, the things we put in their mouth is nice and sterile, but you know what, the air they're breathing is going to be nice and clean. So we're excited about where we're going with this new technology with BioPURE. As we continue to deliver the perfect patient experience, I can tell you one of the things that I think helps set us apart is we like to consider ourselves a certified BioPURE office.